Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best shower squeegee is probably one of the most underrated cleaning tools for maintaining a sparkling clean shower, saving you time and effort in your weekly cleaning routine. This handy tool allows you to effortlessly reach every corner of your shower enclosure, eliminating stubborn water spots and soap scum with ease, leaving your shower looking its best with minimal effort. Today, we will explore the features and benefits of several top-rated long-handled shower squeegees to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. ITTAHO Window Cleaning Squeegee. This innovative squeegee makes cleaning windows a breeze. Its swivel design and extendable pole reach even the trickiest spots, leaving your windows sparkling clean. Easily clean those hard-to-reach corners and edges. The unique swivel head allows you to clean the entire window's surface without any hassle. The included microfiber scrubber preps the surface, removing dirt and grime before you squeegee. It ensures a streak-free, sparkling clean every time. Clean high windows safely and easily with the 3-section extendable pole. Adjust it to your perfect height for comfortable cleaning. It's ideal for windows, shower doors, car windshields, and more. This versatile squeegee is a must-have for any home or car. The kit includes a 12-inch squeegee, 2 11-inch microfiber scrubbers, and a 3-section extendable pole. Everything you need for a perfect clean. We're committed to providing high-quality cleaning products. Contact us anytime with questions or concerns. We'll respond within 24 hours. What we like? It boasts a swivel head, reaching every corner of your glass. The extendable pole tackles high windows with ease. If you need versatility and reach for various cleaning tasks, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? It is sturdy. The blade is flexible and leaves no streaks. The extension poles are nice since they're not likely to come loose when comparing to a telescoping pole when using at heights. It's great that the cleaning pads can go in the washing machine. Number 4. Yocada Floor Squeegee. Say hello to effortless floor cleaning. This innovative squeegee makes quick work of any mess, leaving your floor sparkling. It effortlessly reaches every corner and crevice. Clean those hard-to-reach spots with ease, no more missed spots. Extend it to clean high surfaces or shorten it for smaller spaces. It adapts to your needs and height for comfortable cleaning. It dries your floors quickly and efficiently. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your space. From kitchen tiles to bathroom showers, it tackles any surface. It's perfect for all your cleaning needs, inside and out. Cleaning has never been easier. With minimal effort, it leaves your floor spotless and streak-free. What we like? Clean hard-to-reach corners thanks to its 180 degrees adjustable head. The adjustable handle allows you to customize the length for your comfort. If you prioritize efficient drying and ease of use, this squeegee is for you. What people say? This broom is surprisingly robust, withstanding regular use without losing its edge. The squeegee does an excellent job, unlike traditional brooms that often miss fine particles. What's most impressive is how effortlessly it maneuvers into hard-to-reach places, thanks to its swiveling head. The ease of cleaning around obstacles without leaving anything behind, not even pet hair, is a significant upgrade. It hangs so easily on a rack I have in the shower and does a decent job. It hasn't mildewed or rusted as so many floor squeegees do. The swivel head works great in corners. Number 3. ITTAR Window Cleaning Kit. This kit makes cleaning windows a breeze. It includes everything you need for streak-free results, inside and out. The soft rubber squeegees leave no marks, and the super absorbent microfiber pads easily remove dirt and grime. They're also machine washable for easy cleaning. It features a unique rotatable design, allowing you to clean even hard-to-reach areas and curved edges with ease. 7 different angles are available at your fingertips. Assembly is simple, just connect the 3 poles to your desired length. Disassembly is just as easy for compact storage. The microfiber pads are removable and washable. It's built to last with a durable stainless steel pole and high-quality components. The threaded tip allows for use with other cleaning tools. It's perfect for all your cleaning needs, windows, showers, cars, and more. Clean high windows, solar panels, or even your boat with ease. What we like? Its rotatable head makes cleaning odd-shaped windows a breeze. The extendable pole provides the reach you need for high windows and hard-to-reach areas. If you value a versatile and efficient cleaning solution, this is a great option for you. What people say. The ITTAR window squeegee with telescopic stainless steel pole is an outstanding tool for cleaning windows, glass, and other smooth surfaces. The telescopic pole extends from 60 to 72, allowing me to reach high windows, skylights, and even my car windshield without needing a ladder. The stainless steel pole is solid and doesn't feel flimsy, which is a big plus. The squeegee itself works great, leaving glass streak-free with minimal effort. The microfiber pads are a fantastic addition. They help loosen dirt and grime before using the squeegee for a perfect finish. The pads are washable and reusable, which adds to the value of this kit. I have a large 2-story house with second-story windows that are not easily accessible, and as an old guy I like to avoid ladders when I can. With this kit I can stand on the ground and set the handle to maximum length and easily get those second-story windows cleaned. Great and well-made product. Number 2. Window Squeegee 2-pack. It's great for various surfaces, from shower doors and mirrors to car windows and even tiles. Say goodbye to water spots and hello to a sparkling clean home. Made with soft rubber and plastic, it's comfortable to hold and durable enough for daily use. The soft edge won't scratch your delicate surfaces. Its unique design allows you to adjust the head to any angle, making cleaning edges and corners a breeze. Reach every spot with ease. The long handle and parallel blade design make cleaning large areas simple. Plus, the hanging hole makes storage a snap. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, please contact us. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. The 360 degrees rotating head ensures thorough cleaning of every corner and edge. The silicone blade is gentle yet effective on various surfaces. If you prefer a compact and easy-to-store squeegee that's tough on dirt, this is a great choice. What people say. This squeegee cleaner is surprisingly very good in functionality. Cleans the glass very well and easy to use too. The longer handle on this squeegee is great. And the folding option makes it easy for storage. Works great in shower to dry it up and because folds can hang it on a hook in the shower. Number 1. 56 Multi-Use Window Squeegee. This innovative squeegee makes cleaning windows and other glass surfaces a breeze. Its extra long handle reaches high windows with ease, saving you time and effort. It features a dual-sided blade with a rubber squeegee on one side and a scrubber sponge on the other. This allows you to clean and dry in one go. The durable rubber blade ensures streak-free cleaning every time. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to sparkling clean windows. It's perfect for cleaning car windshields, shower doors, and more. Its versatility makes it an essential tool for any home or car owner. This squeegee is built to last. It's made with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance and durability. Upgrade your cleaning routine with this efficient and effective squeegee. You'll be amazed at how easy it makes cleaning. What we like. It features a dual-sided blade for efficient cleaning and a scrubbing sponge for stubborn dirt. The long handle provides excellent reach. If you need a powerful and versatile squeegee for various surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. The squeegee's design is well thought out, catering to both functionality and convenience. The 56 long handle is a notable highlight, so you won't need a ladder or step stool. The handle is sturdy, providing a comfortable grip. The dual-side feature, with a rubber blade on one side and a scrubber sponge on the other, enables seamless transition between cleanings. The rubber blade efficiently removes water and streaks from glass surfaces, leaving them clean and crystal clear. It glides smoothly across the window, ensuring an even application of pressure. The scrubber sponge, on the other side, effectively tackles stubborn stains and grime, adding versatility to the squeegee's functionality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.